Is MindSumo really a great way to potentially earn up to $1,600 per task you do, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about this platform, and therefore I decided to record this MindSumo review where I'll explain more about exactly how it works, and let me reveal right away that you potentially can earn really good money by participating in different interesting tasks, but it is not for all. So I'll explain all that so you can find out if it's for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join. And when you first come to MindSumo, if you want to join to earn, then you need to click this, that I'm a problem solver, because what this is that you will solve problems, you will be creative and give different ideas. And you can see it was started there from some friends that wanted to change the way that creative thinkers and companies work together. So you can see that now they say they are a leading platform for problem solvers to apply their creativity and work with top companies, and that they have more than 700,000 members, problem solvers from 6 continents and over 3,000 universities. So it's aimed towards people that are studying, that can then help different companies get in contact with different companies, and then they can potentially earn good money by doing that. As you can see, it's also they have members from 6 continents, so it doesn't really matter where you live. And you can see also it is free because they have these different partnerships, and you can also earn by doing that. So let's go over a little bit first about the application process, because there's something really important you need to know about that, and then we'll go over some earning examples so you can see what is required from you and how much you potentially can earn. So when you want to sign up as a problem solver, you just need to fill out the basic information, but something that's a little bit unusual. You see, there's some more things that you need to fill out, but also then what I have not seen on other sites where you can earn is that you can see there's personal reference name, and this is something you have to fill out. You need to list a personal reference that can verify your problem solving capabilities. So that means that you need to talk to someone that can verify that you are a good problem solver, that you are creative. So this maybe can be a little bit challenging for some, like who should I contact about that? I don't even know what the requirements are to accept this, but this is something that you need to give. So that's something that I just wanted to highlight with it, because the rest of the application process is fairly straightforward, but this is a little bit unusual. So this is something you should give a bit of thought before you start signing up. But let's then go over how you can earn and how much you potentially can earn, so you can see if it's even worth it. And then I will also show you some alternatives if you find out this is not for you. So if we go over some of the current challenges, and this will of course come and go all the time, but you can see, for example, there are several of them that give up to $1,600 in reward, and you can always see how many days that are left. And these are the current projects as of recording this video. It might be different by the time you check it out if you decide to check it out, but you can see these ones, for example, this one closing soon, so you can always keep an eye on that. But many of them have these 1,600. This one has a $20,000 ahead. It has closed now, pulled there. So there's not like huge amount of projects, but what you need to do is to just click one of them, and then you can read all about what you would have to do. You see, you need to start drafting idea. If you have an idea, you see they explain all about what you need to deliver here, and then also they have everything you need to be aware of there. And then also if you scroll down, just be aware that it's not one person that gets 1,600. You see the top 5%, like the top 5 ideas. That means the company that published this, the ideas that they think are best, the top 5% there will share $1,000, the next like this and this here. But the actual individual rewards will be based on the total number of eligible solutions. So this means also that you don't really know like how much you potentially can earn, because the top 5% is that one person, is it 2 person, or is it like 10 people, or what is it, right? That's you don't really know. Also, there's no guarantee that you will earn, so that's something you need to be aware of also. But if you're creative and would like to do this kind of work, then definitely it's a different way to earn, and you can potentially earn really good money by doing this. But it is not for all. It does require some effort, and you do not know if you will get paid for your effort. So it's, whether it's for you or not, that really is up to you. But let's also talk about some alternatives if you find out this is not for you. So in case you find out MindSumo is not for you, I have a couple of different options that you can use instead. One of them, super easy, you can start earning a little bit extra right away. It doesn't have that much earning potential. Another one that takes a little bit more effort before you start earning, but then also it has huge earning potential. So it all depends on you. I have here focused on college students or students in general, but the methods that I will show you can be used by anyone. But this is just because MindSumo is also aimed towards students, but in theory you can also join if you're not a student, and these options that I will show you as an alternative can also be used. For example, I have on my website paid surveys for college students. I have a list of currently 35 paid service sites, and it will not make you hundreds of dollars, but you are guaranteed to earn if you just complete the service, and you can start earning in just a few minutes. And it's a really nice way to earn a bit of extra side cash and share your opinion at the same time. And then many of these sites will then offer to pay in cash or gift cards, whatever you prefer. So this is like one of the fastest and easiest ways to start earning a bit extra, as long as you do it with the right expectations. If your goal is to potentially earn hundreds of dollars per day even, then there is an option for that. So let's also talk about that. So personally, I think that if you really want to take it serious, then you should also learn how to build a real online business. This is not something where you will start earning right away. It will take time, but I have done it myself, started from scratch, and I will leave a link below also to some information. You can see I'm on a page now where you can sign up for more information about a way to build a real online business. It will take time, effort to build it, where you will build an online business step by step. You will learn everything, get support. The information I will give you here is free, but you should only sign up if you are willing to take it serious, put in a lot of effort, and also willing to put in a little bit of money to get the actual full training and support that I talk about here. This is training that I have gone through myself and I am using daily myself, and it has helped me to take my online income to the next level so I can make a living online. But this is also not for everyone. This is only if you are really serious and if you are patient enough to put in a lot of effort to see long-term results. So to sum it all up, I think MindSumo is very interesting and can be a great way to make some extra money if you are creative and like putting in this effort and work on these different ideas. You just need to do it with the right expectations. You need to be aware there's no guarantee you will be able to join. There's no guarantee that you will earn for the effort you put in. So you can potentially end up putting in a lot of effort and have fun doing it, of course, but without knowing that you get paid, it might not be that fun. So I would suggest, if this is something you're interested in, try it out, see how it goes for a few projects, and then see if it's something you want to invest more time in. And if it's not for you, then I've shared a couple of different options, both a more long-term way and something a little bit faster. So depending on your preferences, you can also use that. I'll leave links to those options below so you can also find out more about those and get started with the right options for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and gave you a good idea about whether MindSumo is for you or not. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.